Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Redmi Note 12 Pro device, Pro Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, open the control panel, and as you can see here we have all features. And firstly, we need to disable all unnecessary of it. So for example, which features are unnecessary? Unnecessary features, this is features that you don't need right now. So for example, if you are using a mobile network right now but not using Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi but not using mobile network, disable the mobile mobile data. Okay, so if you are not listening to music using Bluetooth or not connected to the Bluetooth devices, disable the Bluetooth. If you are not using NFC, disable it, disable location. If you are not using maps, disable Mi Share and Nearby Share and NFC, of course. And Mi Share too, because all of these features are constantly searching for their services constantly. Okay, and great. The next step you need to do is to reduce the screen brightness, because screen is the part of the smartphone hardware part that's using the most of battery power. Then open settings, scroll down and find display here and enable the dark mode. Your screen of your device is created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and it means that in the dark places, in the dark areas, your screen just disabled because mini lamp can't produce black color. If you see black color on your screen, so lamps in this area are disabled and not consuming the battery power. Okay. And of course, the last step you can do is to open battery in settings, then enable save battery mode. In this mode, as you can see, your phone will live longer, and if you will open ultra battery saver mode, in this mode your smartphone will live several days. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.